Retirement situation ng mga Pilipino. Ready ba tayo? Reality check. Karamihan, hindi pa ready. Truth is, maraming Pilipino ang hindi handa sa retirement. Marami ang walang concrete retirement plan. Umaasa lang sa SSS pension, kumpanya, o sa mga anak. Late na nagsisimula mag-ipon. Minsan 50s na saka palang nagpa-plan. Pero ang tanong, kung 60 ka na at titigil ka na sa trabaho, saan manggagaling ang income mo for the next 20-30 years? Hindi sapat ang bahala na. Bakit hindi ready ang marami? SSS pension helps, pero usually hindi sapat para ma-maintain ang lifestyle mo. Pang basic expenses lang kadalasan. Filipino culture. Bahala na, may mga anak naman ako. Pero reality ngayon, mas mahal ang bilihin, mas mahal ang healthcare, mas matagal ang buhay, longer life expectancy. Ayaw mo namang maging financial burden sa pamilya mo, di ba? Walang structured plan, may savings, pero nasa regular bank lang, low interest. Every day you are losing money due to inflation. The hard truth, kung mag-retire ka ng 60 at mabuhay ka hanggang 85, that's 25 years. Kung may pension, pang basic expenses lang, hindi pa kasama emergencies at healthcare. Retirement is not 2 to 3 years. It's possibly 20 to 30 years without active income. Kailangan mo na magsimula. 1. Track your numbers. 2. Save at least 10% automatically. 3. Use smart vehicles like mutual funds, PARA, MP2. 4. Protect before you grow. Get an insurance. Retirement planning is not just saving, because one hospital bill can wipe out decades of savings. 5. Start early. Power of compounding. Time is your greatest asset. The compelling argument. Retirement is coming whether you plan for it or not. The only difference? Prepared ka ba? Or dependent ka? Kung hindi ka magpa-plan ngayon, future self mo ang magbabayad. Kailangan mo maging intentional. Kailang best time mag-start? 10 years ago. Second best time? Today. Small steps, but be consistent. Because you deserve to retire with dignity, not uncertainty.